Yeah, man. So right now, I'm cooking my post-workout meal. Just got done with a client, and I just wanted to give you guys a little look about like what I eat and kind of like some changes I've been making in my diet. So we got some salmon and brown rice. Yeah, simple. And then we got some baby spinach I'm gonna throw in there. And like, why I'm making this video is just because, hold up, let's see. I usually like to actually get this cooked up a little bit more. That's the olive oil I use to cook. I know you're gonna say, don't use extra virgin to cook. Do your fucking research before you start talking shit. So let's turn that up a little bit. So yeah, this is like gonna be my go-to post-workout meal. Like, so I've really changed what I've been eating. Like, I kind of been well, can't speak. I've been experimenting. Come on, flip. So I've been experimenting for a while now about like kind of what works well for my body. And if I'm being honest, I know it's gonna sound funny, but like just eating food from the earth, bro. Like no processed shit, no fake shit, no wheat, no dairy, no allergen, no food with allergens or toxins. Just like I said, brown rice, bro. Like here I got some fucking white potatoes, peppers and onions, you know, more fucking salad, peppers, onions, white potato, red potatoes. Here my fridge, green beans to show you, eggs, sweet potatoes in there, carrots right there, more eggs, chicken breast. I'm actually about to cook this later, maybe with some salad. I got some like organic turkey bacon. I might actually not eat this because you know it's definitely kind of processed, so probably gonna throw that out. Yeah, that's not my ketchup. But yeah, bananas. Like, I'm just showing you this shit because like a lot of people have, you know, it's like, oh, what should I eat? What should I eat? Honestly, bro, eat the most nutritious food for you. Eat what you're supposed to eat. All the food that's natural, eat that shit, bro. Oats, brown rice, fucking, you know, quinoa, all that shit, eat that, bro. Eat that. Food from the earth, meat, organic meat, grass-fed meat, all that shit. It's just pretty simple, bro. Stay natural, man. Keep killing it. And I just wanted to give y'all that, man. Like, don't make this shit rocket science. Make this shit simple, bro. Bust your fucking ass every single day in the gym. Go hard. Eat real food. And get your dream body, bro. It's that simple. Do that shit every day. Do that shit every day. Don't ask no more questions. Let's fucking get it.